Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Yan. I'm here in Hawaii. Pupunta kami sa Polynesian cultural something. Ito, nag-stop over kami dito. Ayan, nag-intro ako dito. Ang ganda ng view, mga ka-BSK. Ayan, no? 360. Kahit saan ka tumingin, bundok, tapos dagat. Ayan, mga ka-BSK. Tanawin, dagat, tapos mga island. Marami pa tayong yung ina-upload ko hanggang ngayon, nag-upload. Kaya hindi ko alam, tambak na kasi mamaya mga ka-BSK, nag-stop over kami dito sa tabing dagat at napakaganda. You see the water is very close to the main road. Yan, no? Napakadinaw ng tubig. Yan, nag-ano kami, stop over dito. So yan, no? Napakaganda. Tuwan-tuwa rin si Sherilyn Cat Lady. At yan, ang andinaw ng tubig. Ayan, at puntahan natin yung nagpipishing. At para tayo. At meron silang tournament ng fishing. Let's go.
No, it's a video.
Oh, it's a video.
It's a video.
Oh, shit.
You didn't get you fishing, man. I told you. They catch a big one. Hey, come over here, man. You went to Hawaii, you can go over here. It's a nice place to go fishing, my friend. Let's go. Let's go fishing. Alright. Oh, nice. The weather, very nice. And look, a lot of fishing pool over here because they have a tournament for fishing. Yeah, it's a tournament for fishing. A lot of fishermen out there. Yeah, and over here too. Alright, yeah, nice. There's an island, nice view. And you go over here on my back, it's a mountain, very nice. You see the coconut? The coconut tree? And there's a lot of food. Nice. There you go. Hawaii!
1,000 years later.
Hello mga ka-BSK, dito na tayo, touchdown. We're touchdown now here in Polynesian Cultural Center, right here in Hawaii. And yeah, this is the entrance of different island. Let's go find out what's going on inside. Here's my buddy right here. What happened? Mga ka-BSK, just stay tuned, and then we'll be back soon. Here's the entrance over here, and right there you can see it. Yeah, there's some music, but I will do the remix. So my voice is gonna be get difference, but you still understand. That's what's going on. Let's go inside. Eh, pagpasok mo sa gate, ito na, mga ka-escape. When you enter the gate, the entrance, right here, yeah, that you can see. And then right there, and there's Marketplace Pacific Theater right there. And if you can see, meron na pahanap sa inyo. Go check, look for Sherilyn Cat Lady 13 is on the crowd. You find out. It's right there. There you go. Yeah. Just a little bit music. I told you. I'm gonna remix later on. Ayan si Sherilyn Cat Lady 13 on the crowd. Mga ka-BSK, may music na naman. So, kailangan natin mag-remix. Ayan, papasok na tayo sa Island of the Polynesian Cultural Center. Ayan, papasok tayo dito. Ayan na siya, entrance tayo dito. Ayan, may music ha. So, i-remix natin to. Para kahit na boses sa loro, basta maintindihan nyo. Wala tayong magawa eh. Ayan ha. Pasok tayo dito. Ayan. BSK, dito tayo, entrance tayo, pasok. At ayan, sabihin sila.
Aloha, welcome to PCC, mabuhay.
There you go. Alright, thank you very much, ladies. Thank you very much. Yeah. For my YouTube channel, you can see it. You guys artists. My YouTube channel, okay? Alright, and then, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, here you go. Ang dami nila, oh. They're all good and funny.
Hello po. Kamusta po?
Welcome to my vlog.
Hello Pilipinas.
Boy at Sunod Kilay Vlog. Boy at Sunod Kilay Vlog. This is my channel.
Oh,
Really?
Yeah.
Hi Philippines.
Follow my vlog.
Yeah, Boy at Sunod Kilay Vlog.
How do you write that down?
My name is Summer Rainy S on Instagram. Please give me a follow.
Where you from Philippines? Shout out your cousin or in the Philippines.
Sorry?
Yeah. Where you from in the Philippines?
Negros Occidental.
And then shout out. Do you have a family there?
Hello po sa pamilya ko sa Negros Occidental. Okay po ako dito.
Hello po sa mga taga North Cotabato. Nandito po ako sa Hawaii.
There you go. Ayan. Mga kababayan. Okay.
Ito, overexposed na po ito. Tama na yan.
Hi, I am Blue.
Alright. Say
Bye, enjoy.
Make a comment so I can shout you out again.
Sige
Okay?
po.
Alright.
Will do.
Alright. Thank you. Ayan o, mga kababayan natin. No? Ang mabait. Ayan, mayroong music doon eh. Ay, umulan. Oh, it's raining. Bigla umulan. Wow, bigla umulan, no? Ayos, ha? Dahil natin kababayan. There you go. Yan, wala nang music dito. And then, ganda. Pwede na mag-vlog dito all the way. Oh my goodness. Alright.
Pwede na akong mag-video.
Yan. There you go. Ito ang isang Hali Aloha. Hali Aloha.
Teka, may
Yan. Alright. Biglang umulan po, mga ka-BSK. No? Umulan. Pero saya.
Gusto mo na wait?
Yan.
Sa ilong?
Ayan mga ka-BSK. Pagpasok, ito na makita. Ang ganda, oh. Ayan. Kaya lang, nakita nyo, umuulan, no? Tapos ayan. Ayan no. Ayan. At kita niyo yun doon. Mga ka-BSK, tignan niyo yung mga nagtutor, ang dami. Ano? Ayan no. Ang ingay nila oh. mga inchi. Ayan no. Ayan ang group tour. Ayan, dami nila no. Ang problema, kailangan na ano, may kapote ka kasi no, umuulan. Bigla na lang uulan, baksak. Ayan, ayan group tour sila. Ayan sila oh, kita nyo, kahit umuulan, lumanat sila oh, dami oh. Ayan sila. Ayan, takbo sila. May pupwestuhan daw. Sana walang madulas. Ayan o. Ayan ang group tour. Group tour dito sa Polynesian Cultural Center. Hello mga ka-BSK. Ito kababayan dito sa Polynesian Cultural Center. Sa gift shop sila. Ayan.
Yes, sa ulo po.
Ayan, saan kayo sa Pilipinas?
Sa nasa Del Monte, Bulacan.
Oh, lapit lang. Shoutout mo yung pamilya mo.
Yes, mga Virtudazo family.
Ayan. Ayan sila
Mga Pilipino po.
Ayun yung mag-shoutout?
Busy po yan.
Shoutout?
Hi!
What's your name?
Hazel.
Oh, Hazel. That's Hazel. It's not Filipino.
Yes.
Ayan.
Sige, ano ko sa kalan?
Sige.
Sa kalan?
I know a few words in Tagalog.
There you go. Mahal kita, ha?
Mahal kita.
Oh, you don't know that? That's
Yeah,
very
that's I love
important.
you.
That's very important. There you go. Nandito sila sa anong gift shop, mga ka-BSK, no? Ayan. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Salamat po.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy po.
Hello. Mga ka-BSK, ito yung sa labas ng gift shop nila. Ngayon ng mga ano. Ayan, no? Ang ganda, no? Ayan, no? Waterfalls. Ayan. Meron nga nagbo-boat dyan. Ayan yung mga group. Yung group kanina. Ayan, aloha. Ayan, dito tatayo tayo sa bridge. At ayan yung mga check oh. Ang ingay nila, ang dami oh. Ayan. Isang grupo sila, mga BSK. Dito tayo sa tulay, patawid. Ayan. Ayan oh, dito na kami. Ayan, sa pool. Ayan. Galing, no? Ayan. Ayan ang ano, ayan. Ayan, pwedeng mag-boating dito, ha? Pwedeng mag-boating dito. Ayan. 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 May badela sila, oh. Badela food. Badela tubo. Ayan, may tubo. Hindi nila kinakain. Ayan o, badela. Tapos meron silang papaya. Ayan o, papaya. Tapos tingnan mo yung banana nila, banana. Ayan o, kompleto sila dito. Ayan. At dito pupunta tayo sa food testing. Ayan. Ayan si Charolyn, no? Nasa banana. Oh, mahalo. Mahalo-halo. Ayan. Ito, yung green na banana nila, oh. May kumuha na rito, oh. Ayan. Ito, merong maliit na show dito. Medyo bigyan natin ng konting shot. Ito, mga papanood dito, no? Mga ka-BSK.
When you also leave this milk out in the hot sun, it will turn into coconut oil. And the oil is good for your skin and your hair. Again, visit that coconut stand in the back there. There's some of that oil for you as well. Now, here's a silly question. Who's allergic to breadfruits? Let's go. Today you're going to find out. How about coconuts? I just want to make sure you're okay because we don't have insurance. How about onions?
Is it si Sherilyn Cat?
Everybody okay with salt?
Yeah.
All right then. Welcome to Costco. Now the reason why we're doing a Costco style, just in case we give you a whole breadfruit and you don't like it, and I don't want to see you throwing my food in the trash. In my iron, that is very rude to throw away food when somebody else cooks it all day long for you. So if you don't like it, do us a big favor and eat it until you like it. If you eat that every day, you're gonna look like me. Yeah, you see this basket here? After you get your cup, when you're done, throw your empty cup inside the basket. I am tired of picking up your empty cups the next day. Right over here. Go ahead, lead the line. The line goes around that way, yeah? Take one and then come towards me. Now eat it. Throw your empty cup inside there. And then you exit to the building, yeah? Exit that way, guys.
Let's go.
Be careful.
Try to taste.
Just get out of the microwave. Yes, no. One person likes my cooking so far. First one is a sample. If you like it, don't be shy. God back. Let them know. And then we'll supersize it for you.
We are on the line, so we can taste their cooking. I think this, yung kasaba. Breadfruit?
Yeah. They cook through coconut milk.
Oh, breadfruit. There you go.
Kaya siya, favorite niya yan eh. Ako, hindi na pipila.
Akala ko kamuting kahoy.
No, it's a breadfruit.
No, ayan. Yung kanina, breadfruit yun. Sarap yun.
Ayan nga, that one is breadfruit. So, alam mo dami.
Get some more, man. Go back in the line.
Andun ako eh, katabi ako. Hindi mo ako nakita.
When you come back for seconds, let them know. And then we'll fill up your cup.
Mga ka-BSK, natikman na natin. Hindi ko lang na-videohan. Dalawa kinuha ko agad eh. Ano siya, breadfruit. Alam mo yung tawag sa atin, rimas, no? Tapos kamansi. Yung kamansi. Hindi naman kamansi eh. Kamansi parang jackfruit yun eh. Breadfruit siya, yung rimas kung tawagin sa amin. Alam mo, masarap yun pag kami natin matamis na lalagyan mo ng gata. Pero ang luto niya rito parang ulo at paa. ang sounds ng luto nila, alam mo na din mga salita rito, 'di ba? Pale, new, mga ganun. So, yun, ang sounds ng kanya ulo at paa. Pero okay naman, pero parang lasang crab nga sa akin. Ayun ang masarap na luto doon sa breadfruit. Mas masarap pa dyan, iyan mo lang, steam, no? I-steam mo lang siya, pag luto na siya, lalagyan mo siya ng kinayod na nyug sa konting asukal. Yan ang the best. Dito naman nagbebenta sila ng buko, no? Hindi naman kung sila nag-chop ng buko. Ang lambot ng buko rito. Tapos may laman na. Ang lambot ng niya. Ang lambot ng shell. Ang lambot ng shell pero may laman na siya. Yeah, meron na siyang laman. Ang galing, no? Ayan, buko.
The cutter's open for us now?
Tignan mo naman si Sherilyn Cat Lady. Napalayo lang ako, meron na siya kinuha cameraman.
Ayaw kasi ni BSP magpa-picture. Ako na lang. Halika na, marami pang
Anak na tente talaga.
Hindi ka naman bibili eh. Halika na.
Ayan, there's Aotearoa. Aotearoa. Ayan, Aotearoa. There's a show inside, huh? Like Arnis de Mano, maybe? Ay. Ayan, wanna take picture? Ayan, ayan. Ano siya? Ayan, papasok na tayo dito sa... Ayan. Meron CCTV, oh. Oh, may CCTV. Ayan. Ito ang isang village pa nila. Isang village ng ating
Maganda to.
Samoa.
May games. Ang malaglag. Pag di mo nahawakan, talo ka, tanggal ka.
Ayan, tapos ito.
Diba?
Ayan. Merong arnis. Ayan, merong